Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your document. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add Formstack forms into your Bit documents. Go to Formstack and click on the Forms tab on the top bar. Locate and open the folder where you've saved the form. Hover over the form that you want to embed and click on the Share button. Click on Copy. Now head over to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the web link. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the form inside of your document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100+ different applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.